People of Akshardham. Stories Beyond the Stones offers a captivating glimpse into the service, sacrifice, and dedication of the 12,500 volunteers who came together to create Akshardham. These stories of ordinary volunteers who embodied selflessness, teamwork, and faith to create something extraordinary will uplift, inspire, and transform us. If Stones Could Sing. A Hindu-American story of service and devotion is an introduction to the BAPS Swaminarayan Akshardham that weaves together the story of its making and its integration into the social and spiritual landscape of America. Akshardham is an architectural marvel that stands tribute to the Hindu practices and beliefs exemplified by Bhagwan Swaminarayan.